This is the inside of our old hot water tank. Needless to say, it had not been maintained for the past 12 years or so. That's how much dirt came in from the city water system in 12 years. And this is our old anode rod. It was completely gone. I couldn't pull it out the top. And yeah, it got used up. No wonder the hot water tank needed replacing.